Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. Well, before I actually start this video, I would like to wish all of you a very happy new year. Today is 1st of January and the time right now is 7:30 in the morning. And I am starting off this year by doing what I love to do the most, which is riding my bike. And yeah, that's the plan, and we are going on a breakfast ride.
This is your fucking captain speaking.
I'm actually riding with one of my very close friends from the school days, and I actually met him after almost 1 year now, and it's been a long time, and we decided to catch up once again and go on this beautiful breakfast ride. So the plan for today is that we're gonna be riding towards Jewar, which is 90 odd kilometers from my place where I started from, and there are a lot of things that I need to talk with you in this video, and I'm gonna be saving them for the later part of the video. So right now my friend is getting fueled up, and once he is done, we're gonna start our ride, and I'll see you in a short while on the road. Okay boys, so we are on the Jamuna Expressway now, and as I told you that there are a lot of things that I wish to talk about in this video with all of you guys. Let's start. So the year 2021, I could not have expected this year to be this good. The very best thing happened in the January itself when I bought this bike. Ronin came into my life, and it has only been uphill from there onwards. So I bought this bike, and I was a really happy kid. To be very honest, there's a kid in me that is still alive, and that only comes alive when I'm on my bike. So now Ronin came into my life, and it was time to hit the road. And our very first road trip was to Sariska, which I did with one of my close friends from my school days, Harshimran Singh. And boy oh boy, that was one hell of a road trip. I actually learned a lot of things in that road trip. I had my first ever road trip breakdown in that road trip, and the rear tire on my bike started to give up on me. And to be very honest, if I think about that moment right now, I was completely drained out, and I was in a situation where I was not able to make any decision. And all thanks to my friend who was able to get me out of that situation very smartly, because if I was alone, I can say this, I would have drained out, and I would have broken down. So yeah, that road trip taught me how to like react and act in such situations, or while you are out on the road. So now Sariska was done. Now it was time to hit the mountains. So that is when we rode to Morni Hills, and boy oh boy, Morni Hills was a beautiful destination. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna be driving towards there again in the coming month, so I might or might not vlog, but we'll see about that. Anyways, that was my first experience when we rode on the mountains, and everything went well. We were all safe and sound, and it was time to explore even more. So that is when we rode towards Chakrata, and boy oh boy, Chakrata was one beautiful destination. And it was like we were actually riding in the clouds, and we were actually in the clouds, but it was on a whole another level. That road trip taught me that how you need to ride during the rains, because to be very honest, rains and mountains do not go hand in hand. And it is rightly said that if you want to be a better rider, you need to learn to ride in every sort of situation that life throws at you. And I learned how to ride in rain, and that too on the mountains, and I'm very grateful for that, because that actually made me a better rider. And if I'm confident today doing the cornering on the mountains, that is only because of that particular road trip that I did. So now Chakrata was done and it was time to hit the plains, which is when we decided to ride towards Rajasthan. And boy oh boy, I learned a lot in that road trip. Let's talk about that. So in that road trip, I learned how you can ride on a budget. And the guy I was riding with in that road trip, my friend Jagjit Singh, he actually taught me how you can actually manage your expenses while you are out traveling, and you can reduce the cost of your traveling. So excluding the cost of petrol, obviously, we did that road trip in almost 2000 rupees, and we rode for almost 2000 kilometers, and it was one hell of an experience. So yeah, that road trip taught me how you can ride on a budget. So after that, riding in the plains, now mountains were calling and we had to go, and we decided to ride towards Tirthan Valley. And I know you have not seen that video. I'll talk about that, why you have not seen that video. So my only sole purpose while riding towards Tirthan was to explore more and capture the beauty that I see from my eyes, and like express that feeling through the camera with all of you guys. My only sole purpose was that in that road trip. But few things went wrong, and there are few things that are not in our hands, and there are few things that fucked up my mind, and I decided to basically stop recording. And basically I was in a kind of mental state where I just wanted to come back home. So I will not check off Tirthan from my list as of now, because I will visit that place again, very sure about that, because that place requires your time and your patience. And I don't know what the rest of the group was thinking in that road trip, but anyways, it is what it is. So we're gonna be riding towards Tirthan again, and that is when you're gonna be seeing that video. So Tirthan taught me how you need to be patient. So yeah, that was all about the year 2021, and I'm very grateful for this year. And I'm not gonna keep babbling and boring you guys, and let's continue on this ride, and I'll see you once we reach to the highway masala. But before that, let's do a daily 100. And we are here, the highway masala, or you can say the famous bikers dhaba. Let's go in, have some tea because I'm freezing, and I'll see you in a short while. Okay boys, so we are done with the breakfast, and I do not like to shoot when we are doing breakfast or something like that, because I like to interact with whosoever I'm riding with. So I did not record anything over there, but we took some beautiful pictures, and all those pictures you're gonna see on my Instagram, which will be linked in the description below. So do check it out and follow me over there, because I'm more active over there on the Instagram than I am on the YouTube. But things are gonna change in year 2022, and I'm gonna be more active on this platform as well. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna close this video right here, right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, let nothing hold you back in life, and always keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Let me check what time it is. Oh, it's time for a daily 100.
Last
but not least, I want to thank me.